So I have a question to all of you, right? We're going to start back with what we do regularly. The cleansing part is all up to you. Cleansing is something which I cannot help you. राकेश आप थोड़ा सा ऐसे आ जाओ, पीछे हो जाओ और थोड़ा सा ऐसे, I need to see you. हाँ, बस. Why is this coming up today is that I've been telling Baba last 2 3 days that Baba, what is that you want us to really come up on this? So things came up and things are happening. And just to share with all of you, Babaji, that white bird we had, passed away yesterday. So she left yesterday, and it was nice. In a good way was that the whole day part was going on since morning 9 o'clock of Ram Navami celebration till evening, and she processed in that period of time. Had a feeling because last few 2 3 weeks she was falling apart, giving, falling. Anyways, it has a lot of learning we'll discuss today on that. And why the word cleansing came up is that when you're chanting Om, I remember, when Rakesh came in this morning, yes, it was joke, but it was serious that, before anything, I thought I should be there. Right? You have to understand this, Raja. My purpose or our purpose is not anything else at all. There is no anything else. Why? Because the time of lifespan is very short, very, very short. If you don't believe me, you can look back to your life. You will be amazed. When did you get married or when did you grow up? You won't even know. It will feel like yesterday when we were in our parents' home, enjoying our lives and playing and whatever and whatnot, right? It's no more like that. Our tracks have changed completely. Right now, we are at a situation where we don't know. We'll come back to this. Let's go back to Om and we'll come from there. Right? So make yourself comfortable. Baba, our sign. सच्चिदानंद सदगुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय. शांति शांति शांति। सो मेरा चश्मा हो गया था वहां पे, और पालकी में एक साईं सच्चरित्र रहते थे। अमित, आपसे एक सवाल है राजा। सो वो लाइट, वो आप दो बटन है उसमें, लेफ्ट साइड वाली लाइट बंद कर देंगे। हाँ बस। आपको आपकी जिंदगी का मकसद क्या है? पर्पस ऑफ योर लाइफ। किस चीज की? किस चीज में? पीस ऑफ माइंड। और वो कैसे आता है? अच्छा, इस बारे में बात करें। स्थिरता और शांति का संबंध हमारे स्वयं के विचारों से है, किसी और से नहीं है। ये आपको अच्छे से सबको समझना पड़ेगा। द पीस ऑफ माइंड is a man-made word, right? Everybody wants peace of mind. Everybody wants shanti. Everybody wants happiness at home. Give me one home in the world who doesn't want this. Even the president of United States maybe looking for this only, right? Modi ji or the Elizabeth, they all would be looking for this, right? परम शांति का आभास अलग है, लेकिन शांति का आभास हमारे स्वयं के विचारों से है। अगर हम अपने विचारों से जीत नहीं सकते तो हम किसी चीज से जीत नहीं सकते राजा। ये कंफर्म है। We are always into a run where we think, oh, let me go to that place, I'll get peace of mind. Let me go to a retreat, I'll get. When you go to a retreat or when you go to any place, it is your own thoughts which changes. It is the energy of the place and your thoughts. Why I asked you this question, Raja? Because when I opened my eyes and looked at you, you were so stiff. You're like, as if I'm forcing you to do it. Om is a flow where you can go beyond anything and everything. Raja, it is a त्याग of yourself to be getting everything. आसान नहीं है बच्चा। आसान इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि we'll talk about this today. Well, this is something we really wanted to. Let's see what Baba has for us in the chapter, and then we'll come back to this. So we are again on chapter 3, and on chapter 3 we'll have Matra Prem, right? Everybody knows Matra Prem, right? Wow. So Matra Prem is, what is Matra? Mother. Huh? Mother's love. गाय का अपने बछड़े पर प्रेम सर्वविदित ही है, उसके तोबन सदैव दुख। आई थिंक वी रेड दिस, राइट? तो रोहिल्ला की कथा, ये कथा श्री साईं बाबा के समस्त प्राणियों पर समान प्रेम की सूचक है। ये आप ध्यान से सुनना अमित, इस कथा को। एक समय रोहिल्ला जाति का एक मनुष्य शिरडी में आया। वे ऊंचा, पूरा, सुदृढ़ व सुगठित शरीर का था। बाबा के प्रेम से मुक्त होकर वह शिरडी में ही रहने लगा। वे 8 प्रहर अपनी उच्च और कर्कश आवाज में कुरान शरीफ की कलमे पढ़ता और अल्लाह हो अकबर के नारे लगाता था। शिरडी के अधिकांश लोग खेतों में दिन भर काम करने के पश्चात जब रात्रि को घर लौटते तो रोहिल्ला की कर्कश पुकारे उनका स्वागत करती थी। इस कारण उन्हें रात्रि में विश्राम न मिलता था, इसलिए वे अधिक कष्ट और असुविधा का अनुभव करने लगे। कई दिनों तक वे मौन रहे, परंतु जब कष्ट असहनीय हो गया तब उन्होंने बाबा के समीप जाकर रोहिला को मना मना कर उसे उत्पात रोकने की प्रार्थना की। बाबा ने लोगों को से प्रार्थना कर ध्यान न दिया। इसके विपरीत गांव वालों को आड़े हाथों लेते हुए बोले कि अपने अपने घर पर ही ध्यान दें और रोहिला की ओर ध्यान न दें। बाबा ने उनसे कहा कि रोहिला की पत्नी बुरे स्वभाव की है और रोहिला को तो मुझे कष्ट पहुंचाती है, परंतु वे उसके कलमों के समक्ष उपस्थित करने का साहस करने में असमर्थ है और इसी कारण वे शांति और सुख में है। यथार्थ में रोहिला की कोई पत्नी न थी। बाबा का संकेत केवल कुविचारों की ओर था। अन्य विषयों की अपेक्षा बाबा प्रार्थना और ईश्वर आराधना को महत्व देते थे। अतः उन्हें रोहिला के पक्ष का समर्थन कर ग्रामवासियों को शांतिपूर्वक थोड़े समय तक उत्पात सहन करने का परामर्श दिया। क्या समझ आया? तो आप स्वयं के दुश्मन है अपने, नोबडी एल्स। ये जो वी आर ऑलवेज लुकिंग फॉर पीस आउटसाइड, वी नॉट गेट इट। The discussion we had last time about the wall we should have to keep away. What does it take to us, Raja? So I was yesterday when Babaji left. It's around 5:15, 5 o'clock near about she left. So before that, only somehow Baba had started to water the area in the front. It was very dry. And at particular spot, Baba tried to water up little more. Then Gudiya called, "Bhai, come running. Babaji, something is wrong with Babaji." The moment I took her in my hand, she passed. And I realized the area Baba was watering was basically the area to dig, to bury her. Coming back to Rohila's part of it. On a day-to-day basis, we are so engrossed, so much. Engrossed in what? What to bring, what to eat, what to dress, what to get, what is next. But there is no such thought to really fight ourselves. Like we do Shiva Abhishek, right? We do with Chandan, honey, ghee, pancha, everything. What is the bottom thing we happen to do in the last? What's the last thing? Huh? Clean. No matter what love you offer in any form, bottom line, you still need clean water to make it clean. End of the day, you still have to clean. The whole day, whatever is happening, whatever going on, bottom line will still need cleaning. What happens when your hand gets some kind of some dirt or grease or mud? What is that? What do you do right away? You wash them, is it not? You were trying to clean something, your hand got black, something got dirt. What happened next? You right away wash them. And then what? Some people go one step forward also, which I'm learning after I did not know. They put some moisturizer. Don't look at Nishi like that. Rakesh was looking at me. Why do we put moisturizer? So whatever the wrong impact, that dryness, that mud may bring, should not leave in my skin. My skin remains softer as before. You pour oil, ghee, washing anything, your hand gets sticky, What is the right away thing after that? Wash my hands. So you are ready to wash your hands. You're ready to wash your things. You're ready to wash your feet. You're ready to change your clothes. It gets dirty. Why are we not ready to wash ourselves? Why? Because that is not seen. It is not visible. Something you cannot do it with water and your hands. You don't know which soap, what kind of a conditioner to use to wash what we have gathered over the years with us. It is simple, mera bacha. It's very simple. And how is it simple? Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. 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 तेरे को बहुत मेहनत करनी है ना पुत्र. ये कोई यात्रा सरल यात्रा नहीं है. जब आप नाम सिमरन करते हैं, when you do chanting, your whole body cells should get activated. You know how we have a weaker battery of a car? What will happen? It'll take a lot of self to start. Do we need that right booster, right battery to right away start? मेरे बच्चे, really, the reason is that I want, if any child comes, they should have a transformation. They have to work hard. Do you think is it easy? No, it's not. Look at the situation and time today. Look at everything happening. It is your dedication, your commitment, your passion that can change anything. Just you. If we are in a thought that, oh, this is, things are not going to change according to our situation and thoughts. Yeah, Raghu? That we want things to change according to ourselves, right?
It won't.
Huh?
It won't, Babaji.
So what do we need to do, Mera Bachcho? What do we need to do?
We need to ignore our thoughts.
And how?
Baba chanting.
Show me one chanting. I want to hear from you.
Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tatulyam Rama Nama Varanane. Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tatulyam Rama Nama Varanane. Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tatulyam Rama Nama Varanane. Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tatulyam Rama Nama Varanane. Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tatulyam Rama Nama Varanane.
Raghu, Mera Bachcha, you chant so beautiful. So beautiful. Why can't you make this your habit? 108 times in the morning, 108 times in the afternoon. Like, I can listen to this, Raj. I can keep on listening to this. This is the best medicine we have. This is the best medicine any human being can have. Raja, we are born in an era where chanting is a blessed medicine in a shorter time. Blessed medicine. You don't need nothing. You are so powerful in yourself. राकेश, एक नाम सुना.
बाबा जी.
I want. हाँ बिटिया.
बाबा जी, जब से सत्संग स्टार्ट हुआ है, आप हाथ है ना राइट हैंड करते हो तो वहाँ पर शिव महादेव के वासुकी दिखाई दे रहे हैं. आप बाबा की तरफ कर रहे हो तो पीछे बाबा आ रहे हैं.
बिटिया बेकार है. इल्यूजन है, इल्यूजन. इट इज ऑल इल्यूजन. कुछ नहीं है.
जब से सत्संग स्टार्ट हुआ तब से देख रहे हैं बाबा जी वीडियो में.
इल्यूजन मेरी बिटिया. इट्स ऑल इल्यूजन. नथिंग. कुछ नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. चल चल सुना यार, तू सुना. ये ऐसे ही करती है. तू सुना. एक सिमरन सुना मेरे को. बहुत हुआ तेरा. बस आई वांट टू लिसन फ्रॉम यू नाउ.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 Om Namo Bhagavate
Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate
Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate
Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. So this is Rohilla's katha. This is what Rohilla needs to do. This is what the trouble Rohilla had. Baba very well knew that Rohilla is fighting with his thoughts. Baba very well knew that putting his whole heart and soul into fighting his bad thoughts to come out, to be able to merge with him. He kept on doing continuously till he got that peace and flow. And that is what we need to do continuously and consistently. Right? Nishi, I want to hear a Naam Jap, Raja. Tell me one name. I'm not sparing nobody, Raja. I told you guys. This is no more. I'm going to have you. You know how normal satsangs go, listen, acha ji, and go home. You're not here for that. We are all here together to help each other. All of us are here to help each other. Because you can be an inspiration, he can be, anybody can be an inspiration to each other. We are all in the same boat. We need to help each other to sail through. Chal putta shuru ho ja. Anything. What is coming from here? I don't know anything. Start. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Does it help? Deepak, Rohila ki katha, what did we understand? Raja?
You need to fight with your thoughts.
You need to fight with your thoughts. You need to be stronger to be able to how you wash your hands, your clothes, you change them. You know, suppose somebody puts a grease in your head. You know, all of you know what grease is, right? Or you the lubricated oil from a truck, old one, they put it in your head. What will you do? So, try to wash it, right? Will it go in one time? It will take a lot of time to wash. That's how the dirt has covered us. It's not simple to fight out just like that and come out of it. It's not happening. It is not happening. Constantly, 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 constantly. So आप कुछ करते हैं, चैंट करते हैं प्रभु?
Om Sai Ram, Har Har Mahadev. 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 Om Sai Ram, Har Har Mahadev.
Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. दीपक जी आप क्या करते हैं? हाँ जी?
Sun Sai Go, Prem Se Manwa, Sun Sai Go. Sun Sai Go, Prem Se Manwa, Sun Sai Go. Sun Sai Go, Prem Se Manwa, Sun Sai Go. Sun Sai Go, Prem Se Manwa, Sun Sai Go. Sun Sai Go, Prem Se Manwa, Sun Sai Go. Sun Sai Go, Prem Se Manwa, Sun Sai Go. Sun Sai Go, Prem Se Manwa, Sun Sai Go. Sun Sai Go, Prem Se Manwa, Sun Sai Go. Sun Sai Go, Prem Se Manwa, Sun Sai Go. Sun Sai Go, Prem Se Manwa, Sun Sai Go. Sun Sai Go, Prem Se Manwa, Sun Sai Go. Sun Sai Go, Prem Se Manwa, Sun Sai Go. Sun Sai Go, Prem Se Manwa, Sun Sai Go. Sun Sai Go, Prem Se Manwa, Sun Sai Go.
Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Now, why did we did this exercise today? Is to give all of you an understanding. It does not matter what you chant. Whatever your heart tells you to, whatever your soul connects you to, do. But ultimate purpose was what was happening. We were all getting that peace in that vibration of energy. No matter what we do, we were getting it. Did it match with each other? It did not. See, while we're thinking the same flow? No, we did not. But what was it? Whatever man bhata. That's all it was. Let's see what Nalini has to do. Nalini, I want to hear you, Raja. What's up?
Sai 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 sai
Sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai sai Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Nalini, how much time of a day do you do this, Raja?
Morning, early hours in the morning you does that, and sometimes in the evening.
So this is another example. All of us are in a different, different flights, but we are landing to the same airport. It doesn't matter what flight you take. Now, you understand this. When Baba says taking a flight means what?
On the journey.
Journey, but what does he mean? Go deeper. Go more deep. Rise from your thoughts. Come above. You need to rise above to fly, right? Leave everything on the ground. Come up. Go. And then you will land at his station. Once you have risen above with the whole pressure, all your engines on, full dedication till I am eased. The purpose of that seat belt is till I'm in a safe mode, I will not remove. I'll keep. Once I reach, I'm done. ऐसी लगी लगन मेरा हो गए मगन वो तो घड़ी घड़ी हरी गुन गाने लगी, ऐसी लागी लगन मीरा हो गई मगन। मीरा रानी दीवानी सुनाने लगी। Look at this, Raja. Look at this. Mata Meera, what was she doing whole day? Sham, 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 sham. Look at everything, everywhere, you will get your answers. Everything, everywhere. चल चलना है चल, तेरी एक मंजिल, तेरा एक ही माझी, तेरा एक मसीहा, तेरा एक ही मौला। चल चलना है चल, तेरी एक मंजिल, चल चलना है चल, तेरी एक मंजिल। There is only one destination, just one. How many destinations? Unless you're thinking of second destination? Huh. Putra, what is so difficult? Difficult is because we are not able to realize our thought. We justify them. We justify our situations and we try to make it a happen. Oh, no, 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 I know this is perfect. Oh, no, 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 you don't know. Yeah, I don't know. You will hear everything. Everybody will have tons to say. Care, precaution, blah, blah, everything they will tell. But when the situation comes and back in life, then we are ready to do anything and everything to come out of situation. We are ready to do anything. Why do we land up till there? Why? What is the purpose of landing? Why? Why can't we do it before? Why can't we improvise it before? We are always looking for somebody else in life. Always. You don't need nobody. You actually don't need nobody. You need yourself to uprise, lift. Somebody can maybe tell you this, that, do this, do this. Ultimately, it is you who have to do. It is you who has to practice. Nobody's coming from outside to come and give you a cup of tea. Hey, hello, hello, one time. But if you want to eat daily, you need to start cooking. You need to find a right destination. Nobody's coming. Nobody. One day, Masi will come. You're thinking that somebody, nothing. Till you go to bed, can anybody else sleep in your place? Then, like I would say, your best health, right? Best health. Or worst health. What is happening? Still, I'll have to sleep. I'm in pain or no pain. I have to take medicines or no medicine. I will have to sleep myself only. Nobody is sleeping at my place. Say, आपकी जगह मैं सो गया, you're done, go. Your body is not going to accept that. So if that is the case, why don't we make our thoughts sleep? क्या हुआ? खुजली हो रही है? हाँ? What's so difficult there? Nobody is stopping you to not rise above. Nobody is stopping you. Rohela made the whole village uncomfortable to fight his thought. He did not give up. He came back from the work in the night, he would just do the chanting. Loud. Why was he doing loud? Why was Rohila chanting so loud? Because if he were chanting slow, the thoughts would come. If he's full yelling, Ram, 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 do you think thoughts will come? So he was a fighter. He had decided that he wants to fight his thoughts. What is difficulty with us? Peace of mind. आ जाओ इसको वॉलमार्ट छोड़ो मैंने ओम नमः शिवाय 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 Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. So, before we conclude today, we go to a last prayer. Can everybody just assure that whatever you are comfortable in chanting, you'll try to do it on a daily basis, one, but at least twice a day, minimum 2 times. Not for you, Raghu. You're not in two, huh? You are in four. Till you come out of everything. Whenever there's a chance, just do this. And the day, Raghu, you feel that yes, you're settled, you can come back to two. I have no problem.
जी बाबूजी।
Anything with a bacha? कौन साहब सुधर जाओ। ठीक है सर, कर लोगे? लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोका समस्ता सुखिनो समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु। श्री सच्चिदानंद सतगुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। हाँ ठीक है, चल मेरे बच्चे, साईं राजा, साईं 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 साईं।